Hi, it's Toronto's real estate team at REMAX, and here is our October 2018 Toronto Real Estate Market Report. We seem to be on the cusp of a breakout in the market, but time will tell if that's the case. I'll comment more on that in this broadcast as we go through the market report. So let's review some of the Toronto Real Estate Board statistics and see what's happened. Sales were up 6% for October compared to last year, with 7,492 houses and condominiums changing hands in all the districts. This was the second lowest number of sales for the month in the past 5 years. Condo, townhouse, and high-rise suites took a significant 35.4% share of the market, with 2,653 units being sold. The October average sale price for all GTA homes came in at $807,340. This was a modest 3.5% increase from 1 year ago. Considering that May, June, July 2017 was the turning point in last year's crazy market, if instead you compare 2018 with October 2016, with an average of $762,747, this year's average was still up 5.8% in that 2-year period. The active listing inventory is one of the strongest indicators of how slow or fast the market has been moving. The inventory average for the month of October compared to historical numbers was up 9.3%, but was flat from last year at this time. However, this is occurring selectively, with the central core Toronto neighborhoods still doing very well, while the outer regions, Peel, York, and Durham, are not seeing the same level of activity. The sales to listings, or percent chance of selling ratio, is how we determine what type of market we're actually in. 24 to 28% is a neutral market. Below 24% is a buyer's market, and above 28% is a seller's market. In October, that ratio finished at 39.6%. 2% above last year, and the third highest so far in 2018. The GTA overall is now into a moderate seller market territory, so sellers may need to adjust their expectations if they want to make a move. The days on market average for GTA/Toronto homes was 24 days, 2 days faster than in September. So let's look at what's happening in the downtown Toronto condominium market. West of Yonge and south of Bloor in the CO1 Treb district, the average sale price for October was $677,621. That average moved up 11.1% from the same time last year. With 394 condo sales in the month, the numbers were flat compared to 2017 and almost back to 2015 levels. There were 542 active listings on the market in October, 9% fewer than last year, but still way down from the 651 suites available 2 years ago in October 2016. The ratio of sales to listings was 72.7%, which keeps CO1 in an extremely busy seller's market territory. The average days on market came in at 18, 2 days faster than last month. Now, east of Yonge and south of Bloor in the CO8 Treb district, the average sale price for October was $672,948. That number was up 12.6% compared to 2017. And with 143 condo sales in the month, the numbers were down 14% from last year. There were 233 active listings on the market in October, up 8% from 2017. The ratio of sales to listings was a very active 61.4% for the month. That number keeps CO8 solidly in an extremely busy seller market territory. The average days on market came in at 15, 6 days faster than last month. Here's a summary of the significant real estate milestones for Toronto in October 2018. It could be the start of a turnaround time for our market, but time will tell. We saw the second lowest October sales since 2012 at 7,492. And the ratio of sales to listings increased 7 points to 39.6% in October. We're now in a moderate seller market territory. Also, the average sale price came in at $807,340, which was up just 3.5% compared to October 2017. Remember, we got new stress test financing rules this past January. Note that this average was still 5.8% higher than 2 years ago in October 2016. Overall sales in the month were up 6% from 1 year ago, and the GTA real estate market overall averaged the days on market at 24, a fairly typical level for Toronto's early fall market. Detached home sales in October 2018 with a purchase price over $2 million at 202 were up 9% from last year. It's noticeable that first-time buyer aspirations are now shifting to a condominium lifestyle. Condo sales took a 35.4% share of the total market. Downtown condo active listing numbers were lower in CO1 by 9% and up in CO8 by 8% from last year at this time. And October was only the second month where sales were up this year over last. Also, the downtown condo days on market average was 15 to 18 days, significantly faster than the overall market. The ratio of sales to listings for condos downtown were close in both CO1 at 72.7% and CO8 at 61.4%, indicating an extremely strong seller's market, a wee bit more than double the GTA overall. And the average sale price for downtown condominium suites is up by roughly $65,000 from October 2017. Building on this higher demand due to better affordability, condo appreciation in the two main downtown markets averaged 11 to 13% year over year. Markets in York Region and other 905 neighborhoods have suffered the most from the market slowdown. York Region is now showing that they're in buyer market territory. Expect slight inventory and sales increases as we move through the fall market. Buyers should watch for more opportunities to get the condo or house of their dreams. This month we're looking at the stats for the Toronto Real Estate Board sales and average price by major home type. Looking at the average price of a semi in the 416 area compared to that of a condo apartment, we can see that the price difference is just over $400,000, or 70% between the two. The difference in the 905 is closer to $200,000. Appreciation levels are also significantly higher in the 416 compared to the 905 for most housing type categories. Correspondingly, October sales were up for almost every home type in each of the districts, boding well for the future. So what's a terrific way to make your first baby step into Toronto's real estate market and find out where those more affordable choices are? The best first step is to go on a market experience tour of condo or house neighborhoods with one of our team members. Leave your checkbook at home. What a tour is not intended to do is show you homes with the intention that you'd immediately buy one. What it is intended to do is give you an opportunity to get a clearer idea of what's available on the market in your favorite parts of the city and in your price range, without worrying about being pressured into having to make an immediate buying decision. Once you've had your tour, we want you to go back home and think about what you saw. You'll then be better able to set up a good home buying plan and make smart, educated decisions about where and when you want to be in your new home. You can sign up for your condo tour at marketexperiencetour.com and a tour of houses at dailytorontohometours.com. Remember to check back here in early December for our November 2018 Toronto Real Estate Market Report.